It's looking pretty nice here. Weather is beautiful. Oh wow, IRL Henken. Oh, Henken looks like a boat. What a fish. Oh, that's actually not too shabby. So yeah, there's our little patio.
We have an actual patio there.
We've got some couches there. Yeah, what do you guys think of the new graphics?
New water tech, Pog. Hagbar is saying hello, Euro Henken.
Bonjour. Bonjour. Guys, let me introduce you. This is Mark, our in-house chef, and my bodyguard. And then we got a bunch of spreads. I'm telling you, I haven't felt this at home in a long time. Like all the food, all the garlic spreads, like the stuff my mom makes.
I mean, for me, the food is just like natural. I mean, I cook in my house a lot too. So.
Yeah, you do a great job. You're one of the better recipes I have. Any cakes? More important question in food group. We're gonna get some cakes in Amsterdam, you know.
Oh, those.
Ryan King. Oh, yo, what's up, buddy? How are the states? We're over here in Netherlands. The Nederlanden.
Netherlands.
The Netherlands. Markap's your bodyguard? I thought that'd be glitched. Yeah, she fights girls.
No, I fight everyone.
No, that's also true.
I know Taekwondo. I know Taekwondo and I know Krav Maga, so come at me.
Yeah. I'm stacked, man.
I've got Taekwondo as well.
See?
Hey,
only
nice.
the best.
Krav Maga, hit him in the... always hit him in the... right there. At least for me, like, I have to, because otherwise... I mean, I'm right at that height as well, so it's like, it's easy.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the live stream. I appreciate it. Yeah, again, I'm sorry we didn't have a lot during the trip, but it's been a whole fiasco. At least this time I'm able to connect. Like I was saying, the pie, other than having issues in Manchester, like this looks pretty good, right? For this tiny little computer, isn't this crazy? Blows my mind. Technology these days. Bad knives are your pet peeve. Not like the nice knives courtesy of So Spartan that I don't think I treat anything else in life as good as I do those knives. You guys got me on throne. Those things get like meticulously hand polished.
There is no edge in this.
Hagbar, hey, can I miss you at SitCon? Too fast, I guess? I know, like some couple people said the same thing and I tried looking for everyone, but versus...
Well,
I'm sharpening the knife.
bro,
With a knife?
Yes.
there's no edge on this thing.
Okay, don't do that. What? Don't do that. So this is an Airbnb. It is, I mean, it's a house built, but it's crazy because it's basically a huge concrete slab where right now we're above the water and then the beds and everything is down below. Then there's a dock and then another dock that's chained to it, right? So that's the only part that actually kind of floats. You don't really feel, I mean, I'm sure if there's like a storm or something, I can feel a little wave here or something, but it feels solid. Oh, hold on, you guys want to see TV Liquid? Hey guys, I'm TV Liquid. Don't forget to check out Henken, one of my favorite streamers. TV, where'd you go? Did you guys just see him? Did you hear the amount of people who went to SitCon? It was the same amount as 1% of Manchester's entire population. That is crazy.
No.
I mean, I'm telling you, it was
you're joking.
packed. There's a lot of people.
No, you're joking.
I mean, 1% of the city population, that kind of checks out.
Okay, I guess, yeah.
And what's the population of this?
Damn, that is intense as well.
And what's the population of Manchester?
Because there's about 4,400 people there.
Yeah.
I bet it's 1/10%.
Oh, there was more than 4,000. Manchester is a city and metropolitan borough of Greater Manchester, England, which has an estimated population of... yes, that. In 2022. Nice, thank you. Damn.
Great for local businesses and economy. Yo, with the amount I spent on food and drinks, yeah. I think I made like 6 servers cry from tips. Tipping. Let me rephrase that phrasing. Like the Korean barbecue place, the lady was like, this is the greatest night I've ever had at this restaurant. I was like, thanks so much. I thought we overwhelmed. She goes, no, you guys are sick. No, I had a great time. I already miss everybody, but this is cool. You know, I feel bad for people that have to go back, and I am literally blessed, and I cannot thank you guys enough for, you know, sending us here and allowing me to do this. You know, it's kind of cool. Like, I'm not ready to go home yet. I've definitely missed my stuff, but it's been kind of nice now having to play games and, you know, get to hang out with the community. The Peaky Blinders bar was wicked, dude. So yeah, for those that don't know, we had the Bar Citizen, which let me tell you, it was just too many people. It would take like 30-40 minutes. Peaky fucking Blinders. But it'd take forever to get a drink. So I was like, let's get out of here. Let's go to Peaky Blinders. And then we turned that bar into an overwhelmed bar, you know? But they freaking love this.
My favorite reason I had is turn around and saw him wearing it.
So this was from Flatline.
I hope you're wearing underwear.
Aye.
Right now he is. At SitCon, he wasn't.
I know, it's probably a little dark.
Chad is gonna think things.
Chad already thinks that.
That is true. There was one There was one person in chat, I saw it. They said, bang the Dutch chick. Who was that? Who said
I
that?
said hey.
Who said that? Who was that
Stop
in
it,
chat?
guys.
We're bringing home Amsterdam women next time.
Okay, I'm down. Hey, what are you doing?
Showing off McKill.
Yeah, one for each of us. I got an extra mattress for one.
I feel so free.
Every time.
I can't with chat right now.
Chat, just no. Stop it.
Hey, they're not talking about you because you're Chloe.
Yeah, they're talking about Zoe,
Yeah,
the alter ego.
so you're good.
I'm on to you, Chad.
Okay, the problem is I can't read any of this.
I mean, anything like plasticware.
What do you need? What do you need?
Parchment paper,
Parchment paper.
which I don't even know where they would keep this. Also, this is awesome.
I need
It's a whole spice cabinet.
Like a spice cabinet.
Yeah, like that.
Look
That
at
is
drawer
so jealous.
right there.
You don't even have a vegan version?
Wow, volcano. Henken is short, but Glitch is somehow 2 feet shorter.
I don't know.
First of all, ow.
Henken's almost 6 foot.
I'm small. I'm
Yes.
a small Dutchie. I'm fun size.
Compact European.
I'm snack size.
Yes, she is.
Yeah, Chad, don't get spicy. Like, it's fine.
Also, it's crazy to be able to drink the tap water here. Like, there's one place in the States, no, 2 places in the States that drink water out of tap. That's New York, like Manhattan, and Colorado Mountains.
And
It's-
Hawaii.
And Hawaii. But I've never been there, so it's crazy to drink it. It's good. There's nowhere in Florida where it tastes good, unless some people have like the fancy filters, but I just don't trust it. Everywhere I've been, like I'll pour a glass and drink it, and I get so sick. Wait till I show you guys the video of the wing challenge. Riddick, what did you think of the hot sauce?
Way too much for me, but it was potent. But yeah, Henken was crying.
Yeah, actually, it put me in tears for a little bit. It's because like I'm not allowed to eat or drink, or so. The worst part was, like I licked my fingers. She goes, "You're not allowed to lick your fingers." So my like the cuticles were on fire from the capsaicin. So I'm sitting here done with my wings. My mouth's on fire. My hands are on fire. And she's like, "You have to sit there for 6 minutes." I'm like, "Sounds good," but it's like all this cumulative spicy pain. I was like tearing a little bit.
You're gonna kill them.
Lettuce test. Anyone else worried Henken is gonna somehow burn that lettuce? That's why she took over. Well, Sam's everyone. Freaking love you guys. Good night, guys. Yo, Beast, thanks for hanging out, guys. You're awesome. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, okay?